Hi, Luigi. Hi, Cuphead. What are you up to? Well, I don't know. I'm not even into things. I don't know. What was that? I don't know. Maybe I haven't gone sick for at least 3 years. 3 years? Yeah. Well, you sound like you're getting ill. Yeah, I know. Well, maybe you need some medications. Okay, let's go get some. Turn this off here. Get the medication. Oh, we need one. Do that. Oh, we need one. Let's go. I'm back. And look, I got the peel. It's right here. Oh, thank you. Yeah, eat it up. I'm gonna eat it over here. Okay. That peel was so good. Yeah. Are you feeling better? Yeah, I'm not coughing. Oh no, that didn't help. I'm still coughing. What do I do? Well, medication pills didn't work on you. You're actually coughing? Yes. Yes, I have some kind of weird, cool cough. It's like a cough. Well, you try to act cool, but you're not. Bill, I have a cold cough. Well, I don't know what am I going to do. Well, I guess I just gotta find a way. Like, should I take, I'm gonna take this thing off. Okay? it's not get on you. Now, how do you feel? I feel, still coughing. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna toss you in here. And come back. Now, how do you feel? Wait, I started coughing. Yes, so that must mean you were having a very bad breath cough.